Dive into the 92 crucial concepts necessary for acing the Truck and Transport Mechanic Red Seal License Exam. Access comprehensive preparation materials at www.cannycollege.com to ensure you are fully prepared for success. 1. Maintains hand tools. Keeping hand tools in good condition by cleaning, inspecting, and organizing them ensures they function properly and contribute to efficient and safe repair work in the automotive field. 2. Maintains power tools. Regular maintenance of power tools, including cleaning, lubricating, and checking for wear and tear, is essential to ensure their optimal performance and longevity in the workshop environment. 3. Maintains measuring, testing, and diagnostic tools. Proper upkeep of measuring, testing, and diagnostic tools, such as calipers, multimeters, and scanners, guarantees accurate results and reliable diagnostics for troubleshooting and repairing automotive systems. 4. Maintains hoisting and lifting equipment. Regular inspection and maintenance of hoisting and lifting equipment, such as hydraulic lifts and jacks, help ensure their safe and efficient operation when lifting heavy vehicles and components in the automotive repair process. 5. Maintains personal protective equipment, PPE, and safety equipment. Proper maintenance of PPE, such as goggles and gloves, and safety equipment, such as fire extinguishers and first aid kits, is crucial for ensuring a safe working environment and protecting technicians from workplace hazards. 6. Maintains staging equipment. Staging equipment, such as workbenches and tool carts, should be kept clean, organized, and in good working order to facilitate smooth workflow and enhance efficiency in the automotive repair shop. 7. Maintains solvent washers and biological parts washers. Regular cleaning and maintenance of solvent washers and biological parts washers help ensure these cleaning tools remain effective in removing contaminants from vehicle parts and components in an environmentally friendly manner. 8. Uses documentation and reference materials. Accessing and utilizing service manuals, technical guides, and diagnostic charts effectively allows technicians to troubleshoot vehicle issues, follow proper repair procedures, and stay informed about the latest automotive technologies and standards. 9. Communicates with others. Effective communication with coworkers, supervisors, and clients promotes teamwork, clarity in work assignments, and the exchange of information critical to successful automotive repairs and customer service. 1. Maintains a safe work environment. Fostering a safe work environment by following proper safety protocols, promoting hazard awareness, and addressing potential risks promptly ensures the well-being of technicians and the quality and efficiency of automotive repair work. 1. Uses computer for diagnostics. Efficiently utilizing computerized diagnostic systems and software enables technicians to analyze vehicle data, identify malfunctions, and perform accurate diagnostics to streamline the repair process in modern automotive workshops. 2. Maintains fluids, lubricants, and coolants. Proper handling, storage, and replenishment of fluids, lubricants, and coolants in vehicles are essential to ensure optimal engine performance, longevity, and efficiency in the automotive repair process. 3. Uses fasteners, sealing devices, adhesives, and gaskets. Applying and selecting the appropriate fasteners, sealing devices, adhesives, and gaskets for vehicle repairs ensures structural integrity, leak prevention, and airtight sealing of automotive components and systems. 4. Services hoses, tubing, and fittings. Regular inspection, maintenance, and replacement of hoses, tubing, and fittings contribute to the proper functioning and efficiency of fluid systems in vehicles, such as fuel, brake, and coolant systems. 5. Services bearings, bushings, and seals. Proper maintenance and replacement of bearings, bushings, and seals in automotive components help prevent friction, wear, and leaks, ensuring smooth operation and longevity of moving parts in vehicles. 6. Services filters. Cleaning or replacing air, oil, fuel, and cabin filters as part of routine maintenance ensures optimal engine performance, fuel efficiency, and air quality within vehicles, promoting their longevity and reliability. 7. Uses welding equipment. Knowledge and proficiency in operating welding equipment, such as MIG, TIG, or arc welders, enable technicians to perform structural repairs, modifications, and fabrications on metal components as part of the automotive repair process. 8. Uses cutting equipment. Skillful operation of cutting equipment, such as plasma cutters or grinders, allows technicians to accurately and safely cut, shape, and trim metal components during automotive repairs and customizations. 9. Verifies vehicle repairs. Thoroughly inspecting and testing vehicle repairs, systems, and components are essential to confirm the accuracy, functionality, and quality of the work performed, ensuring customer satisfaction and safety on the road. 2. Conducts road tests. Performing road tests after repairs allows technicians to evaluate vehicle performance, handling, and system function, identifying any remaining issues, ensuring proper repairs, and verifying the vehicle's roadworthiness before returning it to the customer. 2. Diagnoses base engine. Truck and transport mechanics analyze and identify issues with the base engine components, such as cylinders, pistons, and crankshaft, to determine the root cause of engine performance problems and implement appropriate repair solutions. 2. Diagnoses cooling system. Technicians assess the cooling system components, including the radiator, water pump, and thermostat, to detect cooling system malfunctions or leaks, ensuring efficient engine cooling and preventing overheating issues. 3. Diagnoses lubrication system. Mechanics examine the lubrication system, which includes oil pump, filter, and channels, to pinpoint lubrication-related problems that could affect engine performance, identify areas requiring maintenance, and safeguard engine components from wear and damage. 4. Diagnoses fuel delivery system. Truck and transport mechanics inspect the fuel delivery system components, such as fuel pump, injectors, and lines, to diagnose fuel system issues affecting engine operation, fuel efficiency, or emissions, and troubleshoot and repair fuel delivery problems accordingly. 2.5. Diagnoses intake and exhaust systems. Technicians analyze the intake and exhaust systems, including air filters, manifolds, and catalytic converters, to identify intake or exhaust-related concerns impacting engine performance and emissions control, and address issues to optimize engine function. 2.6. Diagnoses emission systems for diesel engines. Truck and transport mechanics evaluate emission control systems specific to diesel engines, such as diesel particulate filters and exhaust gas recirculation systems, to diagnose emission-related faults, meet regulatory standards, and ensure environmental compliance. 2.7. Diagnoses engine management system. Technicians diagnose engine management systems, including sensors, electronic control units, and ignition systems, to pinpoint electronic and computer-related issues affecting engine operation, performance, or diagnostics. 2.8. Services base engine. Mechanics conduct maintenance and repair procedures on base engine components to ensure proper functioning, performance, and longevity. 2.9. Services cooling system. Technicians perform maintenance tasks on cooling system components to enhance engine cooling efficiency, such as flushing coolant, replacing worn-out components, and ensuring proper coolant levels, aiding in engine temperature regulation and preventing overheating. 3.0. Services lubrication system. Truck and transport mechanics provide service and maintenance to the lubrication system components, including changing oil, replacing oil filters, and inspecting oil channels, to promote proper lubrication of engine parts and prevent premature wear and engine damage. 3.1. Services fuel delivery system. Technicians conduct servicing activities on the fuel delivery system, such as inspecting fuel lines, cleaning injectors, and testing fuel pressure, to ensure proper fuel delivery, combustion efficiency, and engine performance. 3.2. Services intake and exhaust systems. Mechanics perform service procedures on intake and exhaust components, such as cleaning air filters, inspecting mufflers, or repairing exhaust leaks, to optimize air intake, emissions control, and exhaust flow, supporting engine operation and emission control. 3.3. Services emission systems for diesel engines. Truck and transport mechanics provide service and repairs to emission control systems for diesel engines, including cleaning or replacing filters, inspecting emission components, and performing emission-related maintenance to meet compliance standards and reduce emissions. 3.4. Services engine management system. Technicians service the engine management system components, such as diagnosing sensor issues, reprogramming control units, or calibrating ignition systems, to ensure proper operation, performance, and diagnostics of the electronic and computerized systems in the vehicle. 3.5. Diagnoses air systems. Truck and transport mechanics assess and troubleshoot air systems, including air brakes, air suspension, and air conditioning systems, to identify air-related issues affecting braking, vehicle stability, or passenger comfort, ensuring proper operation and safety. 3.6. Diagnoses brake systems. Technicians inspect and diagnose brake systems components, such as hydraulic brakes, ABS systems, and parking brakes, to detect brake-related problems like wear, leakage, or malfunctions, and implement corrective measures to maintain effective braking performance and safety. 3.7. Diagnoses auxiliary braking systems. Truck and transport mechanics evaluate auxiliary braking systems, such as engine brakes, exhaust brakes, or retarders, to diagnose additional braking mechanisms functionality to assist primary braking systems, improve vehicle control, or enhance braking performance in various driving conditions. 3.8. Services air systems. Mechanics perform maintenance procedures on air systems components, like air compressors, air tanks, and air dryers, to ensure the proper functioning of air systems, including braking performance, suspension operation, and cabin comfort, by conducting regular inspections, repairs, and adjustments. 3.9. Services brake systems. Technicians conduct servicing tasks on brake system components, such as brake pads, calipers, and drums, by replacing worn brake parts, flushing brake fluid, and adjusting brake settings to uphold proper braking efficiency, vehicle control, and safety on the road. 4.0. Services auxiliary braking systems. Truck and transport mechanics provide service and maintenance to auxiliary braking system mechanisms such as adjusting or replacing engine brakes, retarders, or other supplementary braking systems to enhance vehicle braking power and control, ensuring optimal braking performance under varying driving conditions. 4.1. Diagnoses batteries. Truck and transport mechanics analyze and test batteries to identify electrical issues, detect faulty cells, or determine overall battery health to ensure proper functioning of the vehicle's electrical system. 42. Diagnoses charging systems. Technicians examine the charging systems, including alternators and voltage regulators, to assess charging performance, detect charging system malfunctions, and address issues affecting battery charging and vehicle electrical system operation. 4.3. Diagnoses starting systems. Truck and transport mechanics inspect and troubleshoot the starting system components, such as starter motors and solenoids, to pinpoint starting system problems, diagnose faults, and ensure reliable engine starting performance. 4.4. Diagnoses electrical components and accessories. Mechanics analyze various electrical components and accessories, such as lighting systems, power windows, and instrument panels, to diagnose electrical issues, identify faulty components, and address problems affecting vehicle electronics. 4.5. Services batteries. Technicians conduct battery maintenance services, including testing, cleaning, and replacing batteries, to ensure proper battery performance, reliability, and longevity for maintaining vehicle electrical power. 4.6. Services charging systems. Truck and transport mechanics perform maintenance procedures on the charging system components, such as inspecting wiring and connections, testing alternators, and adjusting voltage regulators, to optimize charging performance and extend battery life. 4.7. Services starting systems. Technicians provide maintenance tasks for starting system components, including servicing starter motors, cleaning solenoids, and testing ignition switches to ensure efficient engine starting, system function, and overall vehicle operation. 4.8 Services electrical components and accessories. Mechanics offer service and repairs to various electrical components and accessories, such as repairing electrical wiring, replacing fuses, or troubleshooting lighting systems to maintain electrical functionality, safety, and convenience features in the vehicle. 4.9 Diagnoses spark ignition systems. Technicians inspect spark ignition systems, including spark plugs and ignition coils, to diagnose ignition problems, identify misfires, and detect issues affecting engine performance, combustion efficiency, and fuel economy. 5.0 Diagnoses electronic components and accessories. Truck and transport mechanics assess electronic components and accessories, such as sensors, control modules, and multimedia systems, to diagnose electronic malfunctions, identify faulty components, and troubleshoot electronic system problems. 5.1 Diagnoses vehicle management systems. Technicians analyze vehicle management systems, including ECMs and TCMs, to diagnose vehicle operation issues, software malfunctions, or communication errors affecting engine performance, transmission function, and overall vehicle operation. 5.2 Services spark ignition systems. Mechanics provide service and maintenance tasks for spark ignition system components, such as replacing spark plugs, testing ignition coils, and adjusting ignition timing, to ensure optimal ignition performance, combustion efficiency, and engine power. 5.3 Services electronic components and accessories. Technicians offer service and repairs to electronic components and accessories, such as resetting control modules, updating software, or diagnosing multimedia systems, to maintain electronic system functionality and ensure proper operation of vehicle electronics. 5.4 Services vehicle management systems. Truck and transport mechanics provide maintenance and service for vehicle management systems, including programming ECMs, calibrating TCMs, and updating software, to maintain optimal vehicle operation, engine performance, and system integration in modern vehicles. 5.5 Diagnoses clutches. Truck and transport mechanics assess clutch components to diagnose issues such as slippage or shifting problems, identify clutch system faults, and determine necessary repairs or adjustments for proper clutch operation. 5.6 Diagnoses standard transmissions and transfer cases. Technicians inspect manual transmissions and transfer cases to identify gear shifting issues, noise, or drivetrain problems, diagnosing malfunctions or damages to determine accurate repair solutions. 5.7 Diagnoses automatic transmissions. Truck and transport mechanics analyze automatic transmissions for performance issues such as slipping or harsh shifting, detecting problems with fluid levels, solenoids, or internal components to diagnose and address transmission faults. 5.8 Diagnoses automated transmissions. Technicians troubleshoot automated transmissions, including dual clutch or automated manual transmissions, to identify shifting, engagement, or sensor problems, diagnosing electronic, hydraulic, or mechanical issues for efficient repair solutions. 5.9 Diagnoses driveline systems. Mechanics examine driveline components, such as driveshafts, universal joints, or axles, to identify driveline vibrations, noise, or alignment issues, diagnosing driveline malfunctions affecting vehicle performance or drivability. 6.0 Diagnoses differentials. Truck and transport technicians analyze differentials for noises, leaks, or gear problems to diagnose differential-related issues, identify the root cause of differential malfunctions, and provide recommendations for differential repairs or replacements. 6.1 Services clutches. Technicians provide clutch servicing by adjusting clutch linkage, replacing clutch components, or resurfacing the clutch disc to maintain proper clutch engagement, facilitate smooth shifting, and optimize clutch performance. 6.2 Services standard transmissions and transfer cases. Mechanics conduct servicing tasks on manual transmissions and transfer cases, such as changing transmission fluid, adjusting gear synchronizers, or replacing worn bearings, ensuring optimal transmission operation and gear shifting. 6.3 Services automatic transmissions. Truck and transport mechanics offer service maintenance for automatic transmissions, including replacing transmission fluid, checking filters, or inspecting solenoids, to sustain proper transmission performance, smooth shifting, and longevity. 6.4 Services automated transmissions. Technicians perform service procedures on automated transmissions, such as updating software, flushing transmission fluid, or calibrating shift points, to ensure reliable operation, efficient gear shifting, and optimal performance of automated transmission systems. 6.5 Services driveline systems. Truck and transport mechanics provide driveline system services by inspecting driveshafts, differentials, or prop shafts, replacing worn components, or balancing driveshafts to maintain driveline integrity, reduce vibrations, and ensure vehicle stability. 6.6 Services differentials. Technicians offer differential services by changing differential fluid, replacing worn gears or seals, or adjusting backlash settings to ensure proper differential functionality, enhance traction, and prevent differential noise or wear issues. 6.7 Diagnoses steering system. Truck and transport mechanics inspect and diagnose the steering system components, including the steering wheel, gear mechanism, and steering linkage, to identify steering issues such as misalignment, excessive play, or vibrations and determine corrective actions for proper steering functionality. 6.8 Diagnoses chassis, frames. Technicians examine the chassis and frame components, assessing structural integrity, alignment, and potential damage to detect issues such as bends, cracks, or corrosion, ensuring a thorough diagnosis to address chassis-related concerns. 6-9, diagnoses suspension. Mechanics analyze suspension system components, including springs, struts, and control arms, to diagnose symptoms such as bouncing, drifting, or uneven tire wear, identifying suspension problems affecting vehicle stability, handling, or ride comfort. 7-0, diagnoses hitches and couplers. Truck and transport technicians troubleshoot hitches and couplers, inspecting towing mechanisms and connections to identify towing-related issues such as misalignment, binding, or mechanical malfunctions, diagnosing problems affecting trailer attachment and towing operations. 7-1, diagnoses tires, wheels, and hubs. Technicians assess tires, wheels, and hub assemblies for issues like tread wear, tire pressure, wheel balance, or bearing problems, diagnosing tire-related concerns such as vibrations, pulling, or tire damage to ensure safe and efficient vehicle operation. 7-2, services steering system. Mechanics provide service and repair tasks for the steering system components, including aligning wheels, replacing steering components, and adjusting steering angles, maintaining accurate alignment, smooth steering, and optimal vehicle control. 7-3, services chassis, frames. Technicians offer maintenance services for the chassis and frame, including frame straightening, rust prevention, or frame reinforcement, ensuring structural integrity, alignment, and durability of the vehicle framework for safe and reliable operation. 7-4, services suspension. Truck and transport mechanics perform suspension services, such as replacing shocks, aligning suspension components, or adjusting springs, to maintain proper ride height, stability, and handling characteristics, optimizing vehicle suspension performance. 7-5, services hitches and couplers. Technicians provide hitch and coupler services by lubricating moving parts, adjusting towing connections, or inspecting safety mechanisms, ensuring proper hitch operation, secure trailer coupling, and safe towing functionality. 7-6, services tires, wheels, and hubs. Mechanics conduct tire, wheel, and hub services, including tire rotation, balancing, or hub bearing replacement, to ensure even tire wear, optimal tire performance, and smooth wheel operation for safe and efficient vehicle handling. 7-7, diagnoses interior components. Truck and transport mechanics examine vehicle interior components, such as upholstery, dashboards, and controls, to identify issues affecting comfort and functionality, diagnosing interior-related problems for proper repair and maintenance. 7-8, diagnoses exterior components. Technicians assess exterior components, including body panels, lights, and mirrors, to detect damage, wear, or malfunctions affecting vehicle appearance and safety, investigating exterior issues for effective repair solutions. 7-9, services interior components. Mechanics provide servicing for interior components, such as cleaning upholstery, repairing dashboard controls, or replacing interior trim, ensuring a comfortable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing vehicle interior. 8-0, services exterior components. Truck and transport technicians offer services for exterior components, such as repairing body panels, replacing lights, or restoring mirrors, and maintaining exterior appearance, functionality, and safety. 8-1, diagnoses landing gear. Technicians inspect landing gear components, such as legs, struts, and wheels, to diagnose landing gear issues affecting stability and landing operations, identify landing gear problems, and provide appropriate repair solutions. 8-2, diagnoses trailer body accessories and components. Truck and transport mechanics analyze trailer body accessories, such as doors, ramps, and lighting, to identify issues impacting functionality and safety, diagnosing trailer body concerns for effective maintenance and repair. 8-3, services landing gear. Mechanics offer service for landing gear systems, including greasing mechanisms, inspecting structural components, or adjusting landing gear settings, ensuring proper landing gear operation and structural integrity. 8-4, services trailer body accessories and components. Technicians provide servicing tasks for trailer body accessories and components, such as repairing doors, replacing lights, or maintaining ramps, to ensure safe, reliable, and efficient trailer operation. 8-5, diagnoses heating and ventilation systems. Truck and transport mechanics troubleshoot heating and ventilation systems, including heaters, fans, and air ducts, to identify issues affecting climate control and airflow, diagnosing heating and ventilation system problems for proper repairs. 86, diagnoses air conditioning systems. Technicians inspect air conditioning system components, such as compressors, condensers, and evaporators, to diagnose cooling issues, leaks, or malfunctions affecting air conditioning performance and efficiency. 8-7, services heating and ventilation systems. Mechanics provide servicing for heating and ventilation systems, including changing filters, checking fans, or repairing ductwork, to maintain optimal temperature control, air quality, and comfort inside the vehicle. 8-8, services air conditioning systems. Truck and transport technicians offer air conditioning services, such as refrigerant refill, compressor servicing, or condenser cleaning, to ensure efficient cooling, proper airflow, and comfort in the vehicle cabin. 8-9, diagnoses hydrodynamic systems. Technicians analyze hydrodynamic systems, such as fluid pumps and hydraulic circuits, to diagnose fluid-related problems affecting hydraulic operation, identifying hydraulic system faults for accurate diagnosis and repair. 9-0, diagnoses hydrostatic systems. Truck and transport mechanics inspect hydrostatic systems, including hydraulic motors, valves, and cylinders, to diagnose hydraulic flow issues, pressure fluctuations, or system leaks, identifying faults and malfunctions for appropriate hydraulic system repairs. 9-1, services hydrodynamic systems. Mechanics perform service tasks on hydrodynamic systems, such as changing hydraulic fluid, checking system pressures, or adjusting pump settings, to maintain proper fluid circulation, hydraulic operation, and equipment reliability. 9-2, services hydrostatic systems. Technicians offer service for hydrostatic systems, such as conducting system flushes, replacing hydraulic filters, or correcting hydraulic leaks, to ensure efficient hydraulic power transmission and optimal performance of equipment and machinery.